Today, I'm going to show you how to make original style Pao Chicken, just the way my husband loves it. The main seasonings include chopped green onions, dried chili peppers or chili flakes, salt, cornstarch, oil, sugar, and light soy sauce. Grab a bowl for mixing. First, stir together the sugar, salt, cornstarch, and light soy sauce until smooth. Then add a bit of water and mix it all well. Now we're going to cut chicken breast into nice, even cubes. Bring a pot of water to a boil. Add in the cubed chicken breast and let it cook until it comes back to a boil. Drain the water and transfer the chicken to a container. Set aside. Heat the wok until dry. Add the oil and heat to 300 Fahrenheit. Add the chicken and stir fry until slightly golden. Push the chicken aside. Add the dried chilies and stir fry until fragrant. Stir the prepared sauce. Pour into the wok and stir fry until thickened. Turn off the heat and grab a plate. After plating, add the peanuts and green onions on top. Simple, right? Enjoy!